I've just made these nice and simple jigs. So these are jigs to basically handle spindles. So you put the spindle in and basically you're able to round the spindle off. So this works obviously with a Japanese style plane when you're pulling, and if you want to use a traditional Western plane. So I was able to actually make a chair leg. So this is pretty good for what this setup is, and especially for me because I just literally have not got the room to get a lathe, and then I'd have to teach myself how to use a lathe. So as I said, for what it is, it's pretty good. So basically I've just got 2 V's cut out, and I've left the back piece in and screwed and glued some ply on the bottom. So basically you'll get these into position where you want them, clamp them down, and you're ready to go. And the good thing about these is that you're actually able to take the workpiece out and look at it. Very, very simple but very effective. I've basically got 2 sizes. So the size closest to myself is more for kind of spindles for chair backs, stuff like that. And the one furthest away from myself, that's more for chair legs and such. And basically all you have to do is just turn the whole thing around, and it's the same sort of setup. You just clamp it down, but basically these 2 will be on this side. So for anyone that's interested, here's how I made it.